Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to unbox the latest 3-axis gimbal from Freevision. It's the Vilta-M Pro. This year they released the Vilta SE and the Vilta-M Pro. We are going to unbox the Vilta-M Pro. But first, we are going to take a closer look Vilta-M Pro packaging. First up, at the top of the box, you have the Freevision logo at the far left corner of this box. Going down, you have the Vilta-M Pro, the Chinese language of the product, and some cool features that this product has to offer. One is you have the Bluetooth connectivity between your smartphone device and the gimbal itself. You have the wheel function, wireless charging, and a battery capacity of 17 hours of usage. At the side of the box, product branding. On both ends of this box, you have the Freevision logo. Here you have the certificate of compliance or quality check, Freevision website, their contact number, and this gimbal is for mobile. Last, at the bottom of the box, you have some added features of the gimbal, which include the focus pulling or switching between your foreground subject and the background subject. You have the panorama features, low light capability, which you can adjust manually using the EV compensation, shutter speed, and ISO. 4K video recording if your phone is capable. Object tracking or trace, time-lapse feature, and slow-mo feature. So that's it. And now we are going to have the Vilta-M Pro unboxing. So the package includes your Vilta-M Pro manual, some warranty cards, which are all in Chinese language. You don't need this manual because once you download the Freevision app, an English manual is already included. So this is the portable case or shell for your Freevision Vilta-M Pro 3-axis gimbal. So it's made of styrofoam, a Freevision logo, very sturdy, solid. You have the yellow banding here, which is your hinge of this shell or portable case. Now let's open the case. You have the Freevision 3-axis Vilta-M Pro. There are only basic items that you will find inside the case. First, you have the cable charging cable, USB to Type-C connector. Next, you have the wrist strap, the mini tripod mount with a 1/4 screw inch in order to attach this to your gimbal, which is located at the bottom of the hand grip. Made of plastic, ABS plastic, and some Freevision logo on each legs. And now the gimbal itself. We'll look into the features of this gimbal one by one, including the parts of this 3-axis gimbal. And we're back. By the way, I got this item from AliExpress. I pre-ordered this item in the last week of May of 2019. So I did not pay any custom duties because it's below the 10k value in Philippine peso. So let's start from the top. You have your smartphone clip, holder or bracket, and it is spring type. Inside you have some rubber mats around this area to hold or grip your phone. This clip can hold your smartphone device between 55 to 85 mm, and that is the width size of your phone. And the cool feature of this gimbal is the wireless charging. You don't have to remove your phone while filming because the system or the gimbal, with its large battery capacity, it can charge your phone wirelessly. So great job, Freevision. At the back you have a plastic shell, the outer layer made of plastic, and you have also the quick release knob in order to change your camera's setup between landscape and portrait orientation. You have to attach your phone here in order to activate this quick release knob. So this is your tilt access arm with the Freevision Vilta-M Pro product branding, USB port for charging. You have your Freevision logo and quality check compliance, and some rubber mat. One of the cool features of this gimbal is the locking mechanism between the tilt axis and your roll axis. You will hear a clicking sound, which means that both your roll and tilt axis are secured properly. Except for the pan axis, it moves freely around. There is no locking mechanism. So next is your roll axis arm with a Freevision logo at the gimbal motor. You have your quick release knob in order to extend the arm of the roll axis in order to fit your phone and balance the gimbal. Let's move down to continue our review. Now we are in the area where we will find the front panel and some cool features, pro features that this gimbal offers. But first, you have on the side you have your Type-C connector for charging your gimbal, and on the other side is your electronic and mechanical wheel system. As I said a while ago, the outer wheel can function as your zoom and focus function, but you can also assign this one to function or to drive your tilt axis and your roll axis. Next is the inner wheel with a red banding around the wheel, which is your selector or selector switch for your parameters. These parameters include your ISO, shutter speed, and EV compensation. Also, you have the 3 buttons on the side. You have the focus and zoom button and the position A and position B buttons. These are used for your focus pulling or switching between your foreground and background subjects. You can do this manually here and with the FreeVision app. And now we have the front panel. At the center you have the joystick. At the top right corner you have your power button, the 2 LED light indicators. The first one is your connection status, which is either you are in pan follow, semi follow, POV. Next is the power indicator, which either you are full charge or out of battery life. Now the next one is the FreeVision logo. Next on the logo is your scene switching mode, which either you are in walk mode, sports mode, or custom settings. Next you have the menu button, which you can access the features on your smartphone app. You don't have to touch your phone or to touch the screen of your phone in order to access the settings. All you have to do is click this button and use this toggle switch or selector switch to scroll down on the different settings that you want or the menu that you want. Next are the 3 pro-like features that you will find in this panel. These are the EV compensation, shutter speed, and ISO buttons. Next is the start-stop video recording, button for taking pictures, OK and display button in order to enter your current setting, the photo and video album button, which you can also access your files using this one. And last is your function key or function button, which you can assign to any parameters that you want in order to access it right away. So one thing on the mind of the tech guys from FreeVision is the ease of use of the filmmaker or the user itself. So great job, Freevision. So at the back, you have the trigger button, which again will tell you whether you are in pan follow, semi follow, POV, or you can reset it to the default setting, or you can press down the trigger button, hold it for a while, and use the joystick, move the joystick from left or right. You can have the vertigo effect. So we move down from the front panel. We have our handle grip, which my hand can grasp it securely. It has a rubber strip, the Freevision branding, and inside this handle grip is your battery compartment rated at 20,000 milliamps. So it can give you power for 17 hours, which they claim. I have not tested it yet for a continuous usage. So the product is very light because it's made all in plastic. It's more than the normal ABS plastic. It can withstand high temperature and corrosion, and again, as they claim. So that's it for our product unboxing and looking at the different parts and features of this Vilta-M Pro 3-axis gimbal. So we will end here. I will do some series of field tests on the different features of this gimbal using the Freevision app and compare it to my smartphone native app. This will be on my next video. So thank you for watching, and hit the like button if it made you excited on this cool product from Freevision. And if you want to, you can subscribe to my channel and wait for the next video that will come out in the next few weeks. So thank you again, see you around, and happy filming, guys.